Yeah, Offie and Aura. Aura. Offie, Aura. Is Aura sleeping? Look at her, she's got her tongue out.
She's all, I guess.
Look at her.
I think this just leaves you back.
It gives you back?
I think.
Okay, let's take it. See where it goes. Squirrel?
Just right there.
Is it a squirrel?
Yeah.
There's a lot of squirrels over here.
Yeah. This is my second time being really close to a squirrel.
It's here. Nature.
I want to touch the water.
You want to touch it?
Mm-hmm.
Touch it.
Look at it. Look how tiny that fish is. That is so tiny. I can just pick it up right now.
Yeah.
Wow. That is nice. That feels so cool. I like it. Where did that tiny fish
Okay,
go?
come on.
That fish was so small.
Mm-hmm.
Look, roses.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, she's asleep.
Oh. What are we gonna go see now? The owl?
Yeah, only if the sleeves are back.
Oh, cute little waterfall. Streaming. Gotta go check out the owls.
Well, there's only
Is that how they go? No, that's like a pigeon, right? Ooh, ooh,
yeah.
ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, you can see him from here.
I think he might have went down. Oh, he's right there. Or she died.
Where is?
He's right there.
Oh, it's a little guy. Oh, it's cute.
On our way back to the park.
Yeah. Back to the park. That's so fun. Okay, so Zephyr wants to attempt to drink some pickle juice. There's the pickle. We just got done with that. The rest of the pickle in that jar. Let me see how much juice is in there. But hold it. Oh, that's a lot in there.
Doesn't smell pleasant.
So you're gonna go ahead and drink that. How much you gonna drink?
Maybe just like 1/4 of it.
1/4. Okay.
No.
You think you're gonna gag?
Maybe. No.
If you do, gag over the sink.
Okay. I'm going.
Okay, 3, 1, 2, 3, go! Ah, is it nasty? What?
Salty.
It's salty?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'll try some pickle juice. I'm gonna. Ready?
Good. Is it nasty?
Do I have to swallow?
No. Is it nasty?
Yes, that's so nasty.
Now Zoe's gonna try some pickle juice.
Oh, he likes
Don't spit on the counter.
It is so good.
Are you for real?
Yes.
Are you for real, though?
You can drink that.
Wow, so you can drink that like juice.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
So good.
Who's the hey guys you're talking about? What guys?
Hey guys. Was working on the boots.
Looking on the what?
We're working on the boots.
Hey, so I'm here at the kids' school to pick them up from school. So today is, or was, except for graduation. 5th grade, he graduated 5th grade. So proud of him. He starts, yes sir.
Can I have gum soon?
Can you have gum soon? Yeah, when we go home we have gum, okay? You'll have gum, okay? Alright.
Soon?
Yes. So, today was for graduation. Now we're here to pick them up from school because they all go to the same school.
Gum soon?
And he's gonna be out of elementary into junior. Hi, I can't believe it. Oh my gosh. But anyway, I was at graduation. Me and Steven and the little babies was at graduation this morning, right? So graduation over, everyone taking pictures with their kid and so forth. So while they're taking pictures, this, God bless her soul. But this, I can't tell if it's a teenager or if it's a young adult. I couldn't really pinpoint the age right there, you know. But it's either late teenager or young adult. I don't know, somewhere around there. So this girl came over. Oh, I'm holding her, right? This girl came over. Oh, she's so cute. Can I hold her? Like right away. You ever heard that? Can I speak, please? Like right away. You ever hear that sound effect that go? Like I need that sound effect right now. Like she was like, oh, she's so cute. Can I hold her? I'm like, what? I didn't say what to her, but it's in my head. It's like, what? So I looked her in her face, in her inner core, the depths of her soul, trying to think of something to say that's no, but kind of nice, you know. So I couldn't think of anything quick enough. So I just no, and it came out pretty abrasive. You know what I mean? I'm like, oh, that came out pretty abrasive. I'm like, good. I'm like, and then she was like, it's okay. It's okay. I'm like, yeah, I know. Are you crazy? Like, I don't know you from nowhere. You're like, you're not my cousin. You're not my cousin's cousin. And that's too far off of a cousin. Like, why would you want to hold my child? And I don't know you. Like, I would never, ever do that to anyone. I've never asked to hold anyone, baby. Never. Not even family member. Like, when I meet a child, the most I'll do is a high five. Like, can I get a high five? If you don't want it, that's fine. I'm an extreme mother. Don't ask me to hold my baby. You crazy? Like, I don't know if you're going to end up in the border of Mexico with my child. You know what I mean? But anyways, I just find it really strange asking to hold someone, child, that you don't know me, I don't know you, I've never seen it before. Why would you ask to hold my baby? I don't know. I think it's strange. What do you think? For me, it's really strange.